The core LINQ operations are where, which filter, select, transforms, and OrderBy sorts. These commands cover the most basic data manipulation tasks. This is how they work together. Take an array of numbers and chain operations to filter and sort in one expression. The operations flow naturally from left to right. You can chain multiple operations for complex transformations. You can write something like this, which is going to filter students by grade, sort them by name, then transform names to uppercase. Each operation feeds into the next, creating a data processing pipeline. These operations are lazy, which is really important for performance. They don't actually execute until you enumerate the results with toList, for each, or similar methods. This means that you can build complex queries with the execution being optimized automatically.